Beautiful people, hello, beautiful people. More TV is here again, this time around in the kitchen. Guys, do you want to see how I made this good, yummy looking, delicious okra soup? Stay tuned, go nowhere, go nowhere. This is real local made okra soup. It's not your regular okra soup. You need to learn this one because it's very important. Okay, stay tuned and watch. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe to More TV and
Hello,
please.
everyone. Good evening. It's evening here. I don't know where you're watching me from, but good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It depends on when you are seeing this video. Today we are here to make two different soup. Guess the soup we are making. Guess the soup we are making. Guess the soup we are making. Okay, let me introduce the soup. We are going to be making vegetable soup and okra soup. First of all, this is my water leaf. It has been cut and washed. Here is my ugu. It has been cut and washed properly with salt. Here is my stockfish. It has been washed thoroughly. Here is my crayfish. This is my crayfish. It has been washed too. Here is my fish. Here is my fish. My hand is neat. Here's my fish. It has been washed thoroughly. And here is my fish that we're using. Here's my fresh fish. I don't know what is being called. Tell me in the comment section what you are calling this. Okay? And here is Okeye Suka locust beans. This particular one is locust beans. Here is my ogbono. And this particular one here is my seasoning for taste. Let's move to the next. That is my onions and red oil, palm oil, mano suka. I'm from Suka, guys. I'm sorry. And this is my salt. That's my salt up there. And this is meat. These days, my family is not fan of fish. It's not fan of meat. Like meat, we are trying to remove meat from our protein that we use in making any food at all. But we cannot remove it. Sometimes, if I plan to remove meat, I will still um, cook the meat, remove the stock. Reason being that I'm living with my aged mother-in-law. Because of her health, I will just avoid anything that will make us be running helter skelter. So I don't like meat, cooking with meat. So I'll be using this meat for two soup. Yes. Addition to this protein. This is my pepper. Yes. It is in my food processor already. I want to start blending it. And this is our cut okra. This is how we cut okra. Some of you will be saying in the comment section, you cut it big. I like saying it when I'm eating it. Guys, let's go and blend it. Let's go and blend everything, the ones that need to be blended, and I'll come back to you guys. Okay?
Guys, I'll be adding onions this inside this food processing. Onions is optional. Like when I was with my mom, we don't put onions while making soup. But when I grew up having my own home, I have tasted. I don't see anything wrong with it, and it's medicinal. Onions is very good for our eyes, so I consider it very important too. I'll be adding my crayfish to this. So I'll blend everything together. I'll be adding my crayfish, my alum crayfish. Nothing much, guys. Come, let's go and brand it.
So guys, let's let's do it fast, okay? Let's do it fast. I'll be adding small water. Sometimes I even this pepper is very the pepper is quite very hot.